In this video, I'll show you how to integrate Zoom with Leadpages in under 5 minutes using Zapier. This setup is perfect if you want new leads from Leadpages to automatically connect with Zoom events or webinars. Start by opening your browser and going to Zapier. Log into your account or sign up if you don't already have one. From the Zapier dashboard, click Create Zap to start a new automation. First, choose Leadpages as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select something like New Lead so the automation runs whenever someone submits a form on your Leadpages page. Zapier will then ask you to connect your Leadpages account, follow the on-screen steps to authenticate and allow access. Once connected, test the trigger to make sure Zapier can pull in sample lead data correctly. Next, set up the action. Choose Zoom as the action app and connect your Zoom account by signing in and authorizing Zapier. After that, select the action you want Zoom to perform. A common option is Create Webinar Registrant or Create Meeting Registrant, depending on how you use Zoom. Now comes the mapping step. Match the fields from Leadpages, such as name and email address, to the corresponding fields in Zoom. This ensures each new lead is added correctly to your Zoom meeting or webinar. After mapping, run a test to confirm everything works as expected. Once the test is successful, turn the Zap on. That's it. Your Zoom and Leadpages accounts are now integrated and new leads will automatically flow into Zoom, saving you time and keeping your workflow fully automated.